Hey guys, welcome back to Happy Wheels. It's part 9 and we went in full screen. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do Pogo Fight Stickman as the first level. And you can't really see it on the screen, but it says by Elka Poradolf. And it says rate stars for new level. Play now. Oh.
They can't see it.
Okay, let's play. Okay, let's go. Ah! What the heck just happened? Okay, my pogo stick just went through my butt right there. So ignore that. Ah! Dude, am I going to beat this level on the first try? My Happy Wheels Part 8 was called Some on the first and second try because I died. Because I beat the friggin' 90% impossible level in the first try. Okay, on Andrew 3 by Peach Promer. They're probably, yeah, that's a different language. We're gonna play it anyway. Okay, let's go. Oh god, there's a wrecking ball. I came in like a wrecking ball. Front flip. Ah! Oh, no! Ah! Why do I scream like that a lot? I don't know. Billy, save me, Billy! Billy, why am I merged with you? Well, I'm merged with your car seat. Oh! This is rated 1 star. Markiplier, look. Oh, Markiplier's one of the best YouTubers ever. Okay, GamePro 35, and it's rated 5 stars. Jeez. But yeah, this is by GamePro 35. Oh my Jesus. Press Z! Oh, I didn't press Z. I wasn't prepared. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Press Z! Ah! I pressed Z. Really? Really? That had to happen?
This time, don't press Z.
It says press Z, though.
So?
Press Z! Ah! Cannonball! Ah! Oh! That counted! That totally counted. Bro, this is simple. By Evil McDouble. It says this is not supposed to be crazy hard, only to be really easy for people like me who suck at the game. Hope you enjoy. I kinda suck, but I'm also kinda good. Oh, you liar! It said this was easy. Well, I guess that's the good thing about it. Tricking people. Are you pinned? You were pinned to the ground for a second.
Look at the toilet.
Wait, what? There's a toilet. Alright. Explosions. Erosion. Okay. A Florsta by Gilmakid123. And again, different freaking language. Which there's no problem in that. I'm just saying. It's like weird. Not really. I don't know. Why is there always toilets? But let's go. Oh, you can just go. What? Can't Crystal Lake! Ah! Counts. Impossible Pro by Suki536352. Alright. What? Okay, another language. Ah! Jumpies. Jump to troll.
That was hard.
Troll. Prepare what? That didn't even do anything. This is a troll level. See, it's a troll level.
What's a troll?
Like a prank. Okay, I thought there was going to be a prank troll thingamajig there. But okay. Ashtubud Pogo Fight by Happy Wheels Player. Hey Ash or Player, welcome to your Pogo Jump. But before you do that, you have to get there. I'm assuming Ash is a YouTuber. or like a Pokemon person, or escape the pit of cheese.
Rainbow Six Siege.
Oh, okay. A lot of people have the name Ash, Cameron. Go do the worm. Really? You're supposed to. Pete, do you not know how to do the worm? Because I know how. That should be a video called Leicester Awesome Does the Worm. That's actually going to be my next video. Leicester Awesome Does the Worm. Escape the pit of cheese. Okay. This is a pit of cheese, apparently. Did you just do like a front flip on your freaking... Wait, what? What? Go! Go, ninja! What am I doing? This is also a troll level. Ah! You were smart. Keep going. Are you sure? Did I literally just go back there? I landed head first and nothing happened. Alright, well that's a good thing. Okay, let's go! Oh, get to the double. That was awesome. Boom! I love seeing this game in full screen. It's so cool. Should I hit? Oh, frame rate. Really? You just trolled me again. How many trolls? Okay, frame rate. Come on. Frame rate! Frame rate, come on, man. Frame rate. Frame rate, really. Frame rate. Zenage. Ah! Dang. The victory was right there. Ending if you ain't the dubba. I don't know what the dubba means. Slam them by true impatience. I have no idea what that means. Oh, true impatience, is that what that means? Because, well. Ah! What the heck? Okay. Kill him with beer by the unique one. Enjoy! This is my first level using triggers. Hopefully you like it. I don't know what triggers means. Oh, Jesus. Kill him with beer. Okay. I can't even reach the beer. Why are you making a level if I can't reach it, boy? Boy, come on. 18 FPS. 19 FPS. Grab it! Steve! Steve, buddy, come on! Okay, you know what? That was ultimate rage level. Dang it. Oh! Did I grab it? I missed. I have an idea though. Dang it. Throw yourself back, man. The one time you do grab it, you miss it though.
Exactly.
Is this supposed to be a rage level? Pretty sure it is. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna stop. We're just gonna not. Killed them people by Super Shockwave 201 lawnmower them. Ooh, okay. I'll lawnmower them. Let's do this. Run! Go up, bro. Bro, oh. Why is this glass in my way? Go away, glass.
Dinner. It said dinner.
Cool. Let's go back on this guy. Come on, man. Get in my lawnmower, bro. Ah! Yes! This lawnmower is the best. It will eat you and your friends. Come on, break the table. So many tables, it's making it difficult. Come on, table. You know you want to. You know you want to break table. You just know it. You just know you want to. Come on, man. Get to the victory. The victory. I believe in you. Larry, I believe. I believe in you, Larry. That says diner, Cameron, not dinner.
Something different.
No, not really. A diner is like a room.
That you eat dinner in.
I know, but still. Like, bro.
Oh, look!
What the freak? It's because he had like a freaking piece. Oh, the piece of the table fell out. There's a... We're just gonna not. We can't freaking beat the level, bro. I'm gonna view this by the author. Wait, what? Okay, that's weird, but go back, because I thought view by the author was something else. Wait, what? What just happened? What the heck? Go back. Wait, what? Go back, man. Wait, what? Go back. Everyone. What the heck? Today. What the heck? How do you go back? Okay, let's just play the whole thing. Okay. Let's play the Combine 2.1 again, because I never beat that level on my channel! I don't think... Go! Go, Larry, go! Go, Larry! 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 Come on, get all the way to the victory. No! No! You son of a gun! You just had to be a son of a gun, didn't you? Let's play that again. Go, 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 go! Backflip! This is gonna be the last level I play in this video. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Why'd you make it from your brain getting wrong?
Just go. Just friggin' go. Just go. Don't make any excuses. Just go. Jeez, I just flew like friggin' all the way to the friggin'... I don't know, just go.
Don't stop!
Just go. I didn't stop! That freaking dude stopped me. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe, I love you all. And check out some of my other videos.